Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook clams on the grill. Grilling clams is a fantastic way to enjoy these briny delights, offering a smoky flavor that's truly irresistible. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest clams to preparing them for the grill and achieving that perfect cook. It's a surprisingly easy process that yields impressive results, making it a great option for a casual meal or a special gathering. Get ready to elevate your seafood game with these simple steps. Before hitting the grill, proper clam preparation is key. Start by selecting fresh, live clams. Their shells should be tightly closed. If any are slightly open, give them a gentle tap. They should close. Next, clean them thoroughly. Scrub the shells under cold, running water to remove any grit or sand. You can also soak them in a bowl of cold, salted water for about 20 minutes to encourage them to expel more sand. This ensures a clean and enjoyable eating experience. Now for the exciting part, grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your cleaned clams directly onto the grill grates. You'll want to arrange them in a single layer to ensure even cooking. Close the lid and let them cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. They're ready when their shells pop open wide, signaling they're perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. Remember to discard any clams that remain closed. Once your clams are beautifully grilled and open, it's time to serve them up. Transfer them to a platter and get ready to add some delicious finishing touches. A simple drizzle of melted butter with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice is always a classic and crowd-pleasing choice. You could also try a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. These grilled clams are fantastic as an appetizer or as part of a larger seafood feast. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.